let's go to page 744 and number 1. It says 2 dice are rolled. What's the probability that both will come up 4? Okay, so to come up 4, you have to have a 4, 4, right? So that's only one. So probability of that would be, the event would be 1. There's only one way to do that. And the sample space, when you roll 2 dice, each one has 6 possible outcomes. So 6 times 6 will give you 36. And so that would be it. Okay, number 3. Okay, so there are 5 green, 2 white, and 3 red jerseys in a gym bag. A player pick a jersey at random, put it on, and then pick a second jersey for his teammate. Okay. So he get one, and then get another one after that, and not putting it back. So that means the sample space is going to change. Okay. So probability of that is equal to, let's do the A. Okay, the probability the first jersey is green. Okay, so probability the first jersey is green, so it'd be 5 out of 10. Okay, so now the sample space will change because he picked 1 green and put it on, so that means it becomes 4G, 2W, and 3R. Okay, for the next pick. Okay, and then the second jersey is green, so the next jersey is green, so it becomes 4 over 9. Okay, so again, sample space change because he picked 1 jersey and put it on, so sample space change. And so this would becomes 2 over 9. Okay, and are these events independent? Again, we're not going to do the dependent, independent. We're just going to figure out the probability. Okay, for part B. Okay, for the probability, the first jersey is white, so you're looking for probability of white, and the second jersey is red. Okay, so again, when you pick only one item, you can use fraction. Okay, so white, so first jersey is white, so it'd be 2 out of 10. So after you get 1 white and you put it on, so the sample space becomes 5G, 1W, and 3R. Okay, so again, you have to keep track of your sample space for the second pick. Okay, and the second jersey is red. So next jersey is red, so it would be 5 out of 9. Okay, so to get white and then red will equal to 1 over 9. Okay, first jersey is white. Okay, and second jersey is red. Red is 3. Second jersey is red, 3 out of 9. There you go. Okay, so cancel, and so it'd be 1 out of 15. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so a die and a coin are tossed. Okay. So so you have 1 coin. Okay, 1 die and a 1 coin. Okay, so A specify means of the list. So specify the sample space. Okay, so the die would be, so you're going to get 1 head, 1 tail, 2 head, 2 tail, 3 head, 3 tail. Okay, I'm going to write okay. So 4 head, 4 tail, 5 head, 5 tail, 6 head, 6 tail. Okay, so that would be a sample space. Okay, B. Okay, so A equal to odd, and B is equal to head. Okay, so make sure you keep track of that. Okay. for 5b, okay, you want to specify the event in A. Okay, so A is R, so you have to get all the R. Okay, so it'd be 1 head, 1 tail, 3 head, 3 tail, 5 head, 5 tail. Okay. And the B, okay, so B is head, so you have to get all the head. Okay, the ton of head. Okay, so you're going to get 1 H, 1 head, 2 head, 3 head, 4 head, 5 head, 6 head. Okay. And then you got A union B. Okay, so it means or the union means you combine all together without a repeat. Okay. Okay, so first you get all these, so it'd be 1H, 1T, 3H, 3T, 5H, 5T, and 1H you already have. Okay, then you're going to get the 2H, 3H you already have over here. You're going to get 4H, 5H you already have, so you're going to get 6H. Okay. So again, union means combine everything together. Okay, then you got A intersect B. Intersect means that they have to have this common, what they have in common. So you have to be A and have to be in B, so you have to be in both. Okay, so you're going to get 1H. Okay, you have to be odd and also head. Okay, so it'd be 1H, 3H, and then 5H. Okay. Okay. So that's part B. Now part C, you have to find the probability of each one of these. So probability of A will equal to, so again, the probability is event over sample space. So event is what you want. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over sample space over 12. And so this is equal to 1 over 2. Okay. And probability of B, again, it's going to be, there are 6 of them, it'll be 6 over 12. So equal to 1 over 2. Okay, probability of A union B, okay, this will equal to, so equal to 9 over 12, so equal to 3 over 4. Okay, and probability of A intersect B, this will equal to, there are 3 of them, so it'll be 3 over 12. Okay, so 3 over 12, so equal to 1 over 4. Okay, and again, we're not doing part D because we're just going to do the straightforward probabilities. Okay, so skip part D. Okay, let's do number 7. Okay, 2 dice are rolled from the probability of each event. Okay, A, the sum is equal to 9. Okay, so sum equal to 9. So again, you can list them first. So start with 6. So you got 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6. Okay, and that's it. So probability will equal to event. There are 4 ways, and when you roll 2 dice, the total number of ways will be 6 times 6 will be 36. And so this will equal to 1 over 9. Okay, let's do part B. Okay, either the sum of the number up is 6, sum equal to 6, or both number turn up are 4, or okay. So let's do the 6 first. So you can have you can have a 6 0, right? So start with 5 1, 4 2, 3 3, 2 4, and 5 1. And 2 4 would be just 4 4. Okay, so probability of that will equal to the event would be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 of them. And sample space would be 36, so probability of that will equal to 1 over 6. Okay. Okay, let's go to the number 9. Okay, a coin is tossed 3 times, the probability of each event. Okay, and okay, so again, you got 3 coins. So when you toss, you can start with the H, just like before. Okay, then you have H, T. You can have H, T, H. You can have the T, H. So you can write out your sample space. So you have no tail, then 1 tail, then 2 tails. And then you got 3 tails, right? So that's your sample space. Okay. Okay, so part A, the probability at least 2 tails. So at least 2 tails would be these 3 over here, or at least. So at least 2 tails would be these 3, and this one so would be 4 out of 8. So probability will equal to 1 over 2. Okay. Okay, and next one, B. At least 1 head. So at least 1 head. So at least 1 head. So it'd be this 7 right over here. Okay, so probability would be 7 over 8. Right? At least one head. So only one is no good is this one here. So it'd be 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And that's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, if a set of books is placed randomly on a shelf, what is probability that we arrange in either correct or reverse order? Okay. So probability of that would be, okay, so when you have 6 books, okay, so the correct order would be there's only one way to get correct order, and one way is correct order, and the other one would be the reverse order. So there's only one way of doing each. Then the sample space, okay, so the total number of ways would be 6. So again, there are 6 books. So first spot has 6 choices. Then so 1 book is gone, so you got 5 left. So next one would be 5, then 4, then 3, 2, 1. So this would be a 6 factorial. Okay. Okay, let's go and do this. We can just use a factorial. And so this will equal to 2 over, this will equal to cancel with that. So it would be just 1 over, okay, so this would be 20, and this would be 18. So it would be 360. Okay, and that's it for number 11. Okay, we skip 13, so let's go to 15. Okay, so for this one, you can have to list them out. So the probability of Leon will ask Frank. Okay, so probability of Leon will equal to, for Leon to ask Frank is 1 over 4, and for Paula to ask Frank is 1/3, and Ray to ask Frank is 3 over 4. So for Leon to ask is 1/4. So not asking equal to 3 over 4. So for Paula not to ask, it's equal to 2/3. Okay, and for Ray not to ask Frank is equal to 1 over 4. Okay. Okay, so now we're ready to do this. Okay, so you're looking for probability of, okay, Paula and Leon ask him. So Paula and Leon. Okay. Okay. So this will equal to, so probability of P and L. So this will equal to 1/3 times 1/4. Okay. And so probability of Paul and Leon ask would be 1/12. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put 8 right over here. So you can make sure you have all this over here. Okay. Now for part B, okay, so probability of Ray ask and Paula ask, but Leon does not. Okay, so you can Ray, Paul ask him, but Leon does not. So make sure you have everything accounted for. Okay, so this will equal to 3/4 for R, and P is 1/3, and L complement will equal to 3/4. Okay, and so this will equal to 3/16. Okay, let's go to C. Okay, at least 2 of the 3 ask him. So at least 2. So at least 2. So you have to kind of figure out each. So at least 2. So you have to figure out which one you're not. So at least 2 you can have at least 2 of the 3. Okay, at least 2 of the 3. So you can do the 2 and the 3. Okay. So that means you have to do the L, P, R complement. Okay, so let's do the 2 first. Okay, and then you're going to get L, P complement R. Okay, so again, these 2 ask, and then that's going to add, and then you have the P and the R. Okay, so again, this 2, and then 3. Okay. Okay, so again, at least 2 means you're going to have 2 people and 3 people. And again, you go back, so this would be 1/4, 1/3, 3/4. And you have 1/4. Okay, so this is P complement would be 2/3. Where R complement is 1/4. Okay, double check. So you got 1/4, 1/3, 1/4. Then you have the 1/4. P complement is 2/3, and then 3/4. Okay. Then L complement is 3/4, and P is 1/3, R is 3/4, and then all 3 people would be 1/4, 1/3, and 3/4. Okay. Okay. Now you don't want to do any cancellation because that would mess up the common denominator. So just leave it alone. So you're going to get 48, 1/48, and this would be 6/48, and this would be 9, and this would be 3. Okay, so this whole thing would, so when you add, again, this will give you 10, this will give you 9, so it would be 19/48. Okay. Okay, and okay, I'm going to come up here to do the part D. Okay, now when you have at least 1, okay, you're going to get 7 different scenarios, so it'd be too messy. So what you want to do is just do the complement. Okay, so at least 1 is the opposite of none, right? So that's going to do the none first. So it'd be L complement, P complement, R complement. Okay, this will equal to 3/4, 2/3, and 1/4. So this is equal to 1/8. Okay, so 1/8. So when nobody asks Frank, it's 1/8. So at least 1 will equal to 1 minus 1/8. Okay, so again, what you do is figure out when there are too many scenarios, especially when you have at least one, okay, you figure out the one that you don't want and you subtract. And so this will give you 7/8. Okay. So again, at least one, you want to use the complement. Okay? Because if you don't do the complement, then you're going to have too many scenarios. So at least one, you have to do the ones. Okay, so you have to do the one. Okay, and then so you have to do the one person and you have to do the two people. Okay, so P. Okay, so you can do one person, then do the two people, then you do the three. Okay, so you have to do all these scenarios, and then you have to add all together, and you get the 7/8. Okay. Okay. So again, whenever you have at least one, okay, and whenever you have to figure out the probability of at least one thing, you want to figure out the complement, and you subtract, and that's how you get that.